In today's video, we'll be exploring the top 5 best wireless CarPlay available on the market. We've done the hard work for you by researching extensively and going through numerous real user reviews to create this list. If you want more details or the latest pricing on any of the wireless CarPlay mentioned, make sure to check the links in the description below. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon so you never miss out on our latest reviews and recommendations. Now, let's dive in. Number 5, BQCC Universal 10.26 Car Multimedia Player. The BQCC Universal Car Multimedia Player offers seamless integration with Wireless CarPlay Android Auto, providing a modern driving experience. Its 10.26-inch high-quality display ensures clear visuals, while Wi-Fi connectivity allows for easy streaming. Designed for DIY installation, it's simple to set up in most vehicles. Enjoy hands-free convenience and enhanced functionality at an affordable price. With a 53% discount, now is the perfect time to upgrade your car's infotainment system. Number 4, Universal CarPlay Screen, Wireless Car Stereo. This Universal CarPlay screen is designed for a hands-free and safe driving experience. The 170-degree wide-angle backup camera enhances reversing safety, while the 10.26-inch 1080p HD screen delivers crisp visuals. Its self-adhesive brackets ensure easy installation in any vehicle. Compatible with all cars, this system supports Wireless CarPlay Android Auto for effortless connectivity. With a 58% discount, it's a budget-friendly upgrade for your car's entertainment and safety features. Number 3, 9-inch touchscreen car stereo with Apple CarPlay Android Auto. This 9-inch touchscreen car stereo is an excellent choice for modern car entertainment and safety. It features built-in Bluetooth for hands-free calls and music streaming, while supporting multiple audio and video formats. The high-resolution 1024 by 600 display ensures an immersive viewing experience. Designed to fit a standard single-DIN slot, it's easy to install in most vehicles. Enjoy Apple CarPlay Android Auto, bringing navigation, messaging, and apps to your dashboard effortlessly. Number 2, ESSGOO Car Radio, Android Auto CarPlay. Upgrade your car with the ESSGOO Car Radio, featuring Android Auto CarPlay for smart connectivity. It includes FM radio with manual and automatic search, GPS navigation with online/offline support, and a rear-view camera function for easier reversing. Powered by Android 13, a 4-core CPU, 4 GB RAM, and 64 GB ROM, it ensures smooth performance. Ideal for those seeking a reliable and feature-packed multimedia system at an affordable price. Number 1, XUDA Universal 10.26-inch Car Radio with CarPlay Android Auto. The XUDA Universal Car Radio is an excellent choice for any car with a 12V, 24V power supply. It offers Wireless CarPlay Android Auto for seamless smartphone integration, quick startup within 3 seconds, and Bluetooth music hands-free calling for a more convenient drive. The reversing camera input enhances safety while parking. With a sleek 10.26-inch display and advanced connectivity, this multimedia player is a great upgrade for any vehicle.